I'm standing on the UAE's first rail marine bridge that stretches 1 kilometer. In future, trains will be moving along these tracks over the beautiful views of the water. This bridge connects Abu Dhabi's Khalifa port to the UAE's railway network. Construction of the national railway network is advancing rapidly. The main line of Ethihad Rail's project will run for 1,200 kilometers across the UAE and carry both passengers and freight. The rail marine bridge will be used to transport goods in the region, reducing the costs of freight and trade. Each fully loaded train that crosses this bridge takes 300 trucks off the route.
One significant feature of the bridge, it's parallel to an existing road bridge, and the pier arrangement mirrors that of the road bridge next to it. That allows the tidal flows to go through, which is incredibly important for the sensitive coral reefs in the vicinity. From a strategic perspective, the bridge is incredibly important to link the UAE Ethihad Rail mainland network with the strategic Khalifa Port offshore container facility. It enables the efficient transport of the containers to the mainland, to key centers.
The bridge was built by 320 people who put in more than 1 million working hours. It was constructed using 100 T-beams.
One of the key items to consider and what the construction teams had to work on was to make sure during construction the environment is not polluted. There were special buckets which were created specifically for this project to ensure the overflow mud from the piling and the concrete is contained with special silt curtains. That was quite challenging. So the two outer rails are the running rails where the train wheels essentially sit on and are guided. On bridges we provide guardrails to protect the train from derailment, to keep the train upright. So on bridges, as per the standards, we provide guardrails to provide additional protection to make sure if there is a derailment, the train doesn't go off the bridge.
Stage 1 of Ethihad Rail, a 264-kilometer line, has been operational since January 2016. 2 trains transport granulated sulfur each day from gas fields in Shah and Habshan to an export point in Ruwais. The second stage of the network extends from Kuwait on the border with Saudi Arabia and connects the Emirates of Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah and Ras Al Khaimah to Fujairah on the east coast. Ethihad Rail completed the construction of the main line between Abu Dhabi and Dubai. Tracks have also been laid in Sharjah and Ras Al Khaimah.
The construction of the bridge, technically it is complex because of the logistics involved, the sensitive marine environment, but the teams have constructed the bridge to the best international standards and this bridge will last for 120 years.